understand the difference between unknown and any in TypeScript, let's use a real-life example involving a security system and how different types of people interact with it. A person with a VIP pass representing the any type can bypass the security check entirely. The guard at the checkpoint doesn't question what they're bringing in. The VIP pass type any offers maximum flexibility but zero safety. You have no idea what's being brought into the building, and there's a risk that something dangerous might slip through because you didn't check. In this example, the variable VIP item is typed as any, meaning it can hold any type of value, string, number, object, etc., without TypeScript enforcing any checks. TypeScript doesn't complain about any of these assignments because any type accepts everything. Calling a method, console.log the item to uppercase. Here's the problem. To uppercase is a method that only works on strings. Since VIP item is currently an object name, secret documents, calling to uppercase on it will cause a runtime error. TypeScript doesn't catch this mistake because any disables type checking, making your code more prone to errors that only surface when the code runs. Using any removes type safety, allowing you to perform operations that might not make sense, leading to potential runtime errors. The unknown type A package arrives labeled unknown, representing the unknown type. The security guard is cautious and doesn't let it pass through without first inspecting it. The guard must verify what's inside before deciding if it's safe. A package arrives with the label unknown. The security guard stops and opens the package to inspect it. They confirm it's just a harmless book before allowing it into the building. In this example, the variable suspicious package is typed as unknown, meaning it can hold any type of value, just like any, but you can't directly perform operations on it without first checking its type. Before performing any string-specific operations like to uppercase, you check if suspicious package is actually a string. Since the type check confirms that suspicious package is a string, it's now safe to use to uppercase without causing errors. Using unknown enforces type safety by requiring a type check before performing operations. This prevents runtime errors and ensures that you only use values in ways that make sense for their type. Summary: any is like giving everything a free pass without any checks, making your code flexible but potentially unsafe. Unknown forces you to check what you're dealing with before you proceed, making your code safer but requiring more careful handling.
Thanks for watching. For more of short conceptual videos like share and subscribe.